Looking at SGN and Vimy. So what are we going to have here? Which one is going to be the one going to be trading on strategy? It's always looking for a dip here. 63 to 60.
CRCG.
Here, probably a gap and go over 45. Gap and go over 45. Over 45. Here we go. Gonna do it. Gonna take 3K. Needs to hold 45. Hold 45.
INGN. HPQ. SGML. IOVA.
I was close to buying it 44. I'm gonna hold.
MIMI. LRMR.
All right, here we go.
NBTS. VIAB. LIVN. CRCA.
Don't want to rush the first trade. It's gotta hold. It's gotta hold that level. 67. Needs to hold 67 here.
ACHC. HPQ. SGML. VEX.
Looks like it reclaimed that. Not holding either. Okay. All right, now you're gonna hold.
LCDL.
Hold 46.50.
NBTS. SGML.
No. Okay.
VIR. VIR.
All right. Doesn't look like it wants to hold that.
CRC.
All right. You gotta hold that then. Hold 47.
HPQ. DDBS. CRCN.
I need to see a gap, or I need to see.
HPQ. VEX.
I need to see something.
MVOT. LRM.
I need to see something.
NUCL. FIGG. LRMR. MIMI.
Looks like XWEL. It's gonna go.
XWEL.
That was pretty fast.
LRMR. AXTI. IRWD. XWEL.
It's gonna form a gap soon. Will it hold that gap? Would it be strong to hold that gap?
EVH. NVCR. PLAB. RYAM. ECG.
Gap is at 84.
RKLZ.
Could take it 85.
FSLR.
Depending on how much it wants to dip.
LRMR. AXTI.
Ooh, it dipped at 85. It gave a fast dip.
XWEL.
Gave a pretty fast dip there. 85.40. Interesting here. Interesting. 5 minute looks pretty strong.
WDCX.
So
BDMD. IRWD.
let's see.
BDMD. NBTS.
Dip.
AXTI. CABA. XWEL.
So here we go. Is this gonna be a dip or is it gonna be a breakout? Yeah, breakout. Dang it.
FSLR.
Oh, rejection.
XWEL.
Quick rejection. 85 is a gap.
XWEL.
VWAP is 83.
NBTS.
It's moving quite fast. So there's volatility in this.
RET. NUCL. NBTS. IRWD. PLAB. VSMA.
XWEL. XWEL seems to be
RKLZ.
the one.
QBTZ. BDMD. NBTS. CABA. CRCD. ANPA. AXTI.
This kind of look like it absorbed a lot of buyers. So here we go. Is it going to keep coming down? Make a new low? 85? Or is it going to try to make a new high? I want to pick it up at 85 here, 83. 80 is the low of this. 200 is 82. That would be pretty wild if it goes down here on this 5-minute candle. I'm guessing I'm hoping it'll hold at 83, which is VWAP and the gap right there. So it looks very sweet for a dip down there. It's pretty sweet for a dip at 85, 84. Let's see. 86. 86 seemed to be the spot.
IRWD.
Didn't quite enter the gap.
SDMF may resume in less than a minute.
So now 86 was the spot. Let's see if
MQ.
yeah, we can get a gap and go through 89.
CCC.
All right, here we go. This looks pretty strong. 89 needs to hold.
XWEL. NBTS.
Basically 90 needs to hold.
ECG.
90 hold.
NYGG. ACHC. LCDL.
Yeah, let's do it.
XCC.
Sorry, what happened?
SDMF may resume 10 seconds.
I think I got a little nervous there
XWEL.
with the volatility. Okay, all right,
XWEL. NBTS.
no problem. We gotta still hold.
CCC. BTQ.
I gotta feel pretty 91.3. Okay, I gotta hold that. So we're gonna hit $1 pretty soon here. We're gonna hit $1 pretty soon. And man, I wish I could go down to 85. That would have been sweet. Here we go. You got a whole 92 here.
CCC. LCID. WDAY.
Okay. This is not like yesterday. It looks like we have momentum today. So we gotta be ready to take it much faster now.
WDCX.
Okay.
NUCL may resume in
We
less
gotta
than
be ready to take it a little bit faster, it seems like. Yesterday we had to wait. We had room to wait and wait for the volume to come in here, but now it seems like the volume is pretty fast. It's pretty quick.
XWEL.
So let's see now.
XWEL. WDC.
So we may get a dip here, 90.
WDAY.
Yeah, like this thing is going. Okay.
CRDM. IREC.
All right. All right.
EDIQ. CCC. LCID. NUCL may res in 10 seconds.
Don't break one yet.
XWEL.
Dang it. Okay. Wow.
In less than a minute. XWEL. CRCD.
Okay. I am
IREC.
still watching this. That was pretty strong. Okay. 10 is that high, pre-market high.
BYBT may resume in less than a minute.
So this is going to form a pretty wide gap here.
XWEL.
95. So maybe a 95 if it wants a full 95. Hopefully it doesn't retrace all the way. 95 could be a strong dip, in which we could probably hold very nicely. Otherwise, we're going to form a gap, and if we form a gap, then that'll be good. I think it'll be a nice gap to get into with some nice big size.
DYBT may res in 10 seconds.
Oh man, SGN, look at this. Right into that gap. Massive move. This one seems to be a little slower, but also going very well. But we're watching this one. Dip under 99, stop will be 95. Come on, dip into that. Dip into that gap.
LRMR. PLAB. SNXX.
Stop will be 95.
GERN. VSME. NUCL. SMX.
Stop will be 95.
XWEL. IRWD.
SMX. LRMR. SNXX. PLAB.
VSME. SMX.
Dip, come on. Come on, it's crucial that we dip. This thing is so strong. So that's what it's telling. A dip on this would be so strong.
IRWD. XWEL.
SMX.
Come on.
SNXX.
Give me a dip. There's sellers up there. We need to buy. We need to get more buyers down here.
PLAB.
Dip under 90,
SMX.
99.
FRGT.
GERN. NVT.
97 would be perfect.
CCC.
ODD.
EEIQ halted down. SMX halted to the upside.
Under 99.
IRWD.
SNXX. LRMR.
$1 seems to be holding.
CRCD.
CRCD. SMX.
GERN.
$1 seems to be holding.
CCC.
I could get it at $1
HIMZ.
if it's not going to go any lower, which it doesn't seem to go any lower. It seems to be holding very strong. $1. But we'll be patient here.
IRWD.
It's giving the look like if it breaks $1, it might snap down.
LRMR.
I don't want to catch the snap. So if I get a $1, I won't be able to get the snap. And my strategy tells me I want to buy within the gap.
CCC.
SGN has just been crazy, huh?
HIMZ.
Come on, give that dip under $1.
DRVN.
ODD.
LRMR. CCC.
We're gonna have to get this
CDI.
breakout here over 103. Over 103 here.
XWEL.
Dang it.
HBVX.
Wow, that's absolutely crazy.
BRA may resume in less than a minute.
Dang it, bro. That's absolutely crazy.
PLAB.
Okay. Got nothing on that.
DRVN. LRMR.
XWEL.
PCVX. DET.
So that's the thing, when it's strong, man, it's just gonna be so strong, dude. When it's strong, it's just going to be so strong.
BRBN. BR8 I may res in 10 seconds. HIMZ.
XWEL.
Low, that is 11. Low, that's 103. Target is over here.
LRMR.
127, 130. Hold is 120, 122.
XWEL.
Dude, I can't catch this, man. It's just like,
CCC.
by the time you get to the gap, it's just going to be so annoying. It's just going to be a flush.
DRVN. ELAB.
Waited for this gap. Waited for this gap. Try to gap and go here.
GERN.
All right, we'll wait.
LRMR.
We will wait. We will
RGTSWEL
wait.
halted to the upside.
Oh man, that's unfortunate.
XWEL. AXON. CABA.
All right, 72 to 73, 71.
CCC. NBTS. IOBA.
VSM.
Can we hold that?
XWEL.
Can we hold 72? Will this give sympathy?
GERN.
All right, 69 to 67. We'll
ATOM.
be watching that as well.
EEIQ may resume in less than a minute. SMX may resume in less than a minute. AXON.
There it is, 68.
BMNU.
Get in 69.
NX.
Okay, that's fine.
IOBA. EOM.
Below that was 68, yeah.
XWEL.
ELAB. BRA I halted to the upside.
Taking one out right there. Reducing size.
NBTX.
Nice. Take another one out. The volume is strong. Okay, we're
CDI.
having some volume here.
HIMZ.
VSME.
That's
LRMR.
good. That's good.
RYAM.
Great bounce here.
FIGGIQ may res in 10 seconds.
XWEL.
SMX may res in 10
CRC.
seconds. NBTX. ATOM.
CRCG.
GERN. HIMZ.
LAW. VSME.
FIGG. NBTS. CDIO. BSME. NBTX.
Putting 1,000 here.
CLDX. ATOM.
EIQ. VSME.
HIMZ.
Let's say this got sympathy. The other one is going to resume at, let's see. Okay, 219. No,
NBTX.
2 minutes, 2 more minutes.
EIQ.
CDIO. TOXR may resume in less than a minute. NBCR. CCC. BTQ. HIMZ.
Nice. We got the last bit at 73. Take the last bit, 73.
BN.
Good. Nice. 70 bucks here. Definitely strong. That's great. That's fantastic. All right, here we go. We're gonna prepare for this one. We got a little gap right here. Massive gap at $1. This is gonna resume at 22, so it's gonna resume pretty flat. So we got a dip at 117. We'll take 1,000 shares.
DRVN.
RGTX.
Okay. All right. So potential dip under 10, under 11. That would be pretty nice. Or 17 if it holds 17. I wonder where the hold down is going to be. So we have to check that out as well. So under 11 would be ideal, but 17 a stop.
ERA may resume in less than a minute.
Hold down is 106.
RGTX.
Let's do it.
MNK.
Quick one there. Quick dip and rip.
XWEL.
GERN. IOVA.
Could be holding that. Jeez.
XWEL.
17 was the stop, right? Hyper scalped it.
BTQ. EVA. ERA may res in 10 seconds. CAVA.
Dang. That's awesome.
XWEL.
Here we go. Is it gonna hold 22?
IONX.
Or are you finally giving out? 20 yet?
RGTX.
22. 21. Looks good. It's giving out here. I would pick it up at 11. No, 110 is a hold down. Not nice. Not nice. Back at 17 though.
BTQ.
It could snap into a hold down. I gotta be careful. 5-minute looks pretty juicy for a trade as well. That's a 5-minute right there.
YAM.
LUNL.
We reached our target though.
CAVA.
We reached our target. So
DSM.
anything under 17 could give a bounce. Anything under 17 could give a bounce. If I do it, I gotta keep it pretty tight.
CCC.
DSM.
RGTX.
LRMR.
LRMR. DRVN. RYAN.
So under 15, he wants to go under 15 for another attempt.
LRMR.
So lower volume in this area, so not a lot of activity. A lot of activity here.
ATX melted down. DRVN. RYAM.
So this could give a dip. I gotta be careful with the hold down too. 109 is a hold down.
RGTX.
It did go at 16, it says.
MNKD.
Lower volume here. People's activity is pretty low volume, not many, not a lot happening. Indecisive, right? It's pretty indecisive. It doesn't know what to do. Here we go, 17, 18. Selling off. Like buyers are getting a little bit worried there, you know? So if it ain't gonna go over 23. Here we go. Yep. 30 seconds here. Don't go just yet.
RYAM.
Linger in this area for a bit. Let's see it. Let's see it hold 23. It's important that we hold 23. Hopefully it's not a false breakout.
BR8 I may resonance
25,
signal.
26, 27. Give a little dip to 24 or 23. Here we go. 2, 1, 22. No, don't like that. Oh, back over 24 though. 23.
RYAM.
No, not good. That's not good.
BR8
Okay, here we go. Maybe a dip here. Now it's 6:15. 107 is a hold down, so that's better. So we can give a dip to 15, and that'd probably be nice. Back into the gap. It's a solid gap. It's a solid 5-minute gap there. So
IONX.
here we go.
BMNU.
BRA.
BRAI.
Let's see, 17. Double bottom 716, but I'm thinking it might go lower. 16 there, double bottom. Hold on is 106. I don't know if it'll hold down. It's been pretty strong.
BSMA.
Ooh, getting closer to the hold down. 11,
BRAI. BTQ.
BIQ.
12. It could snap. It could snap. I'll take lower size.
SOUX.
It could snap. It could snap.
HIMC.
Oh yeah, I'll go in here. That's good. It tested 11 a couple times
BTX.
and it held. So we're in there 12 and a half, 1,000 shares only.
IONX. EVMN.
16.
RGTX.
Need to be in there 2,000 actually.
BTQ. BMNU.
EIQ.
AIDX may resume in less than a minute. EDHW halted.
Nice, taking half right there.
MNKD.
Let's see what it wants to do here.
RGTX. IONX. EVMN. BMNU. RGTU.
17.
EVH.
So red gap right there. Okay, good. Taking it out right there. So little red gap there that might be able to
HIMC.
become resistance
EVMN.
or
RGTX.
18.
QBTX.
I'm only working with 2,000 shares. I really want to add.
EVH.
I should have taken that 2K, but
ALAR.
oh well. Oh well, oh well, oh well.
HIMZ.
It's all right.
Email.
One little squeeze, and I think it just might reject here. Doesn't have a strong volume here. Not a lot of,
EVH.
not a lot of.
LRNR.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm out. Out right there.
GTX.
Seems to be
QBTX.
this red gap seems to be holding strong, but I could be wrong.
BMNU.
I want to take a better. I want to take another trade into this gap one more time.
HIMZ.
So 11 this area, went as low as 9.
PYG.
RGTX. QBTX. IOBX. I may resume the left. OKLL. BTQ. BMNU.
5K would be nice. 3K, why not?
N8MO.
Good. We have we can risk with 3K we can risk about 3 cents. 2K we can risk about 5 cents.
EVH.
Just holding here surprisingly well. Okay.
ERA. I may rest
So 119.
for 10 seconds. LRMR. RYAM.
No, I don't want to buy it. The volume is lower. And I might be better off with a dip here. Might be better off with a dip.
EVH.
Okay, I guess not. Let's see. Can you hold 19? This is important that it holds 19. My stop is going to be pretty tight here. Come on, next candle. Give a little dip, and you hold 19, and we're going to hold up. Next candle. Dip, 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 dip. Hold 19. Dip, dip.
EVH.
Yeah, let's do it. Hold 21. There you go. Okay, flat at this point. It needs to go now. Needs to go now. Nice. Go now, 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 now. I'll go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. No, no squeeze. Out. I needed to see that squeeze right there. It was important that I saw that squeeze right there.
HIMZ. PCC.
It's like a pretty like high probability area that it needs to happen. It could still happen, but you know, it's like, how do you know, Like,
EWW may rest in 10 seconds.
what is that, a 2-cent gap? Maybe a 2-cent gap here. With the range, I don't know if a 2-cent gap would be good. Here we go one more time.
CCCC.
So 21 to 19 is at
HIMZ. HIMS. LRMR.
XWEL.
yeah, nice.
ADX may rest in 10 seconds.
Yeah, can't complain. It's all right. Yeah, there's your squeeze, right?
CCC.
So a squeeze was in there was a squeeze hidden in here. My understanding was it was going to happen here.
HIMZ.
It really battled a lot, and then it went for the squeeze. But I didn't have a stronger setup there. It was kind of like, okay, maybe a dip here into 20, but I didn't have a lot going on there. I could have held this until 19, and that could have got me into the squeeze, but at the same time, I'm risking a flush, I think. And it needs to happen right away. So there he goes. 30.
HINZ.
What a crazy move, this one.
XWEL. CCCC. LRMR.
XWEL.
Dip under 30 could be nice.
HINS.
30 to 26.
HINZ. CORD. XWEL.
RMR. 46 million, no. Yeah, going into hold up, huh?
XWEL.
LRMR.
Sheesh. Okay, holding.
AIDX.
XWEL.
So, very good read on my end. This area was
CORD.
liquidity. We reached this area, came back down. We got more right here, which sold around this area, where I was thinking maybe another dip, but man, it's been strong, so it just kept going straight. So good,
ERA I may res in 10 seconds.
good. Then I tried it here at 21. Looking for that algo squeeze. Didn't happen.
XWEL.
Then looking for a little dip here. Didn't get it, and the squeeze came. Algo squeeze right there. All right, cool. So we'll wait and see what happens.
ERA.
All right, looks like it's resuming a little lower.
CCC.
So I'm going to be looking for a dip below 30 on this gap here. I think buyers are hitting right under the 0 cent. So I think buyers are hiding right under or right at 30. So looking for a dip down there at 30, and then let's see how this plays out. 36. Yeah. No, thank you. I think I got pretty high fill there. 32. Could have been good though. One more dip. Come on. Dip under 30 one more time. It's a lot of selling there, but it's going to work.
FIGR.
I don't know, maybe I could have held. Didn't want to be in 32.
ERA I may res in 10 seconds.
Dang it. All right.
XWEL.
XWEL. RXRX.
Needs to hold 43.
FIGR. ERA I halted down.
No. All right. Well, I got in 32, which was 2 cents above the gap, and I pulled it out real fast. Pulled it out for basically almost break even there. That's a shame because I didn't quite get it. At least 30, you know. But my idea played out, right? My idea played out.
XWEL.
So here we go. Maybe one more dip. I don't know if it could hold one more dip. Hold on is 24. Hold on is right here. So I don't know if one more dip is going to do it. We almost reached 50, which is a psychological target.
XWEL.
YOU.
ANP. CDI. ALLT.
HIMS.
Wow. We'll see. We'll pause it and we'll see what it does. Let's see how good this dip is going to be. Hold down wouldn't be bad. Okay. What are the chances we go here? Can you hold 37? Dip right under 40. Quick dip right under 40, see if you're gonna hold. Dang it. I was gonna take it right at 41 as well.
XWEL.
Very strong. No dip. Oh, well, it looks like it did, but maybe I saw it too late. I already had missed the dip. Okay, another one here. 40.
YOU.
42. 41.
XWEL.
42. Tight stop.
CETA. COIK may resume in less than a minute. IONX. YOU.
I think it's going to work, honestly. We'll see this next candle. Yeah,
BRE may resume in less than a minute. AXON.
I had a feeling it wasn't going to work.
COIK may resume 10 seconds. IONL. AXON. BRE may resume 10 seconds.
This is holding suspiciously well. Oh, okay. It's holding suspiciously well at, yep, that's what I thought. Suspiciously well at 37, 38. So here we go. Over 40. If you hold 40 here, this could go now. You could go now.
CETA.
30 seconds here. Suspiciously well.
BIR.
No, 39. 40.
YOU.
No. 50 is, oh, this reached 50 already. Okay. We're kind of going for a second attempt at 50, which this was the second attempt. Now this is more of a backside action. Okay, I'm eyeing SGN here for a nice little dip under 70, taking some big size here. So I think this could be really sweet. We'll see. We'll see how well you hold that small gap. It tried to go down, but it's not coming down. So we'll grab a dip here. We're gonna see this take off. They try to go many times. They try to go down many times. Right below VWAP, right over VWAP. So one dip under 70. And we're gonna be in this thing. Watching. I'm in here. Yep. 68.9 by 68.9. Yeah. 1 cent spread. Okay. Not bad. That's the dip I want. 69.8. Needs to hold this candle. Volume 70. Yep. 70. Push, 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 push. Push to 71.
RIM.
Push it, bro. Push it.
I may res in 10 seconds.
Push it, man. Come on. Come on, bro.
RIM. CDI.
IONX. RIME. BMNU. INFQ. EBH.
Push, bro.
CONL.
MNKD.
QBTX.
RIM.
IONL.
On push.
APPX. BMNU.
Okay. At least I'm breaking the barrier of taking bigger size. I took 5K there, which is good.
IONX.
Nice, finally. Okay. I'm holding only 1K. All right. Had the 5K. Imagine if we would have kept holding the 5K.
QBTX.
But whatever. You know, you never know. It's a weird candle here
GTU.
that I wish it would have held right over 70, not test 69 again, but that's all right. Push.
BR8 on halted to the upside. CONL.
I'm gonna take it out there. And I want to focus on this one.
RYAM. BMNU. IONL. ZETA.
21 is the hold down. All right, we'll see. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
ITRG.
What's happening here? Back over this guy. Oh, this candle close right here. No. Gap got rejected. There's another little gap here, 21. I think we could go to this gap here. That would be an amazing trade. Hold down at 16. All right. Now the focus is on SGN. So this is interesting here. Yeah. So it went into this gap. Wow. Wow. Nice. So I didn't think it would. I was watching it, but not watching it at the same time. Nice. Very nice. We'll see what it wants to do, but I don't know if it's too early for a curl. Might be too early for a curl. But here we go. This is important. If this 5-minute gap is going to hold, it needs to hold strong. So let's see. It went into 27. Mm, yeah. Okay, bounced again from here. 27. Interesting. Yeah. All right, here we go.
XWE now.
Just watching that. I missed that. That was such a great trade.
BRAR.
Needs to hold 31. Just quickly to try this out. Just 1,000 shares. Give this a little try.
XWE now. BRA.
33. Needs to hold 31. Hold 31. Dip. No. No, 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 no. Not yet.
XWE now. HZ.
Okay, what do we got? 33 to 31, possibly a little dip. Dang it.
ATG now vaulted.
HZ.
Dip. I'm looking for it to retest this area. This still feels too early. Our high is 50 cents. Still feels too early. I'm looking for it to retest 33 to 31, so I have to be patient. I think it'll retest it. But it could also hold here. 36, hold 36. So if it's strong, it'll go here. Nice, 40.
YOU.
Minute 38. Don't really like 38. 39, basically. Yeah, this is too early. Too early. Too early. It should have been over 40 again.
CONL.
So small loss there. Just 1,000 shares. So I'm looking for this to retest. Whoops. 33. That would actually be good.
BTQ. CONL.
$33 to 31 could be a good area to retest. There's also a 5-minute gap and go at 34. I don't know if it's a strong gap and go though.
CONL.
Here we go. Let's be patient and see what this stock wants to do.
And you see hell.
Wow, 35 was good. He's held 35 for that gap and go, huh? 5-minute gap and go at 35. Hey. Let's see, dip. This thing is so bullish, bro. Here we go.
ATGL may resume in less than a minute.
I need to see a dip here below 40 on this next one.
BRA.
Feeling more confident here now that this thing is holding high. That was 43. 38 is that level. Looking for this gap here to be filled, not filled.
CONL.
Looking for a little dip. Needs to hold 38. Needs to hold 38. Come on. We're just gonna have about 20 cent, $20, 1 cent, 30, 39. Yeah, let's do it.
GL may rise in 10 seconds.
Hold 38. I mean at 39A, basically 40. Nice. Go, 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 go. It's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish. Nah, I'm gonna get it out. No. Oh, come on. Oh, dang. Okay. That worked. Not the way I would have preferred, but it worked.
BCR.
Ah, dang it. Okay.
XWEL.
CONL.
Freaky stock. Freaky stock, eh? I'm thinking it'll give a pullback. Could be in this trade, bro.
XWE now.
I had to hold that trade. 100% have to hold that trade.
CONO. NBCR.
Now we're here at the double top. What are we gonna do here? Are we gonna hold 43? No, dip.
NBIR.
There's a dip right there. It's 39. That's, you see, that's, so this is something I want to avoid. So I'm thinking if it's not gonna do it here, I don't want it to happen to me here at 39 where I was buying it. So you can still see a dip 33 to basically 30. Pull down is 27. This is a little gap there. All right, we're gonna put that back again. $35 is that gap. Ooh.
BRA.
SPHL falls into the upside. NBIG.
Dude, I'm missing Trace. I'm not trusting it. Just this few days of like slow volatility and like weakness. Now when you see something strong, it's like you have second thoughts,
BRA.
you know? That entry at 35 was key. That was key.
NBIL. NBIG.
But still, we can see this 31.
NBIL.
Also don't want to buy. You see, it's kind of difficult to think about this because
NBIG.
sure, I could want it here and I get it. That might just be too much weakness and it's just not going to hold anymore. You know, but I think it'll hold.
NBIL.
I'll get in here. 33. Bounce 32. No. $31. Gap reclaim. Yes, gap reclaim there. Nice. 32. 33.
NBIL.
$34. I mean, a little too. Oh, nice. It's actually quite nice.
XWE.
Little spike there, but I wonder if that little spike was just
NBIL.
shorts covering. What was that? Stop's gonna be break even at 31. Handle doesn't look too great. Stopping out flat. Let's see. Back into the gap again.
SPHL may resume in less than a minute.
Love to pick it up down here though. 28 by 25. If not, here would be also be good. 117 by 107. I mean, I should be up like 500 on this stock, man. Should be up thousands of dollars here.
SPHL may res in 10 seconds.
It's not over yet. I think it'll be an all day stock. 28 by 25. It's a gap. $29. Pull down is 18. So there's still way to go to 18. 28.
SLY.
27.
LRMR.
Didn't take it. Probably would have gotten Phil like 29.
LRMR. SPHL may resume in less than a minute.
This could be the volume that we need here. It needs to hold 34. Sellers, but sellers are not doing anything. 33, back over 34. It's getting stuffed. The move is getting stuffed. All right. One more dip, 28 by 25. One more dip. More dip.
ASPN.
Second time down here. 29 by 28.
ASPN.
Buyers are at 28 by 25. That's what I'm betting, but we'll see. Wow, 29 was a spot, it seems like. 32 needs a full 32 here. Oh, what a dip. What a dip at 29. Needs to full 32.
XWEL.
30 seconds.
LGBN.
CCUP. FRMI.
MRMI.
32. Maybe this could be good. Let's see.
LGBN.
35, 34, 34. No chance or what?
MRMI.
Might even take a 35, bro, with a tight stop. But I'm trying to see how well this holds. Let's do it. Seeing that volume right there. Tight stop, 35.
MRMI.
Come on. Push. Giving it time to play. Otherwise, I'll have to go for that gap. 1 minute gap. Dang. Now it's lame.
MARA. FRMI. MSTU.
33. Worth the shot, though. Worth the shot.
LGBN.
Let's see what this next candle is going to do. 34 here again.
SVRE.
Let's see this candle is going to hold 34, go to 33, maybe test 32. Stop will be 32. Let's do it. Seeing a little volume there, good.
LGBN.
But I need that volume to continue, man. I need this volume to continue. Come on. Tight stop at this point if it doesn't hold.
MSTU.
Tight stop. Tight stop.
LGBN.
ASPN.
I will try it again, 33. Maybe it wants to do it.
BRA.
LGBN.
LGV head.
CCLD. NAMM.
It's lingering in this area. So 33 could be a good spot. So I want to see if 33 is with a stop at 32 at that point, right?
NBCR. FRMI. CCLD.
I want to catch a flush here. 33, 32, 32, 32. Let me see some green. 32's holding. Let's do it. Ah, got faked out right there. Don't break 32. Yeah, I was gonna break 32. Dang it. Whatever.
CRC. CRC.
Oh, faked out one more time. 31. Dang it. That area I tried it 3 times, I think. 4 times.
And SIVA.
NC.
Area, man, it was holding. It was holding. I tried it 1, 2, 3 times. Flat, flat, and then
CRC.
once and loss.
LRMR. CWH.
Back over 32.
CRC.
I'm seeing a lot of green now here.
WDAY. MSTU. ETHU.
No, close to taking it there, but no. I needed to see
CWH.
some green at 33, maybe. If it goes back over 32, it could still work. If it doesn't want to go 30. Back over 32. This could be good. I'll try 1K size then.
LGV head.
MSTU.
Gotta try 2K, bro. 2K, come on. Back over
CRC.
32.
CRCL.
OGE head.
MSTU.
Let's do it. 32 and a half. Beautiful. Okay. So gap reclaim here at 32 and a half. Nice entry there. Right in time. Right on time.
WDAY.
Okay, let's do it. This is the trade. This is the trade. 36. Come on, 36.
OGE head.
Don't
MSTU.
stuff it. Do not stuff this trade. Come on.
ASPN. CONL.
Are you joking? Hold 32.
CRCA. CWH. CRCL.
Come on, hold 32. You went up to 36. It got stuffed. Can you now hold 32?
CCUP.
Show them that you can hold.
OGE head.
MSTU.
Hold 32.
CWH. CRCA.
No. No, 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 no.
CCUP.
Ah, that was a good attempt. 28 by 25 is this area here.
CRCA. NTSK.
We like this dip here, 28. Ooh, 23, flushing right through that. Jeez. Okay. Are you able to hold 25 though? If you're able to hold 25, I could take it. Get back over 25. Back over 25. Hold 25. Hold 25.
LGBN.
Hold. Hold 25. I'll take it. Basically in 26. I'm betting that this is going to hold 25. Wouldn't want to see 24 here. I'm kind of in too high here, 26. Pulling 1K out at 26. It doesn't want to pull 1K out. Holding here, 24. 23. No, 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 no. No, yeah, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. Doesn't want to hold. That's a big loss right there. Anyway, lost the 140 I had on it. Looking for that dip. That is 817 by 07. All right. Now it wants to go all the way up to 25. That's a crazy dip.
Or GDN.
Yeah. All right, we'll give it some time. We'll come back later. All right, well, let's see, 27. That's crazy. What a nice bounce.
Or GDN.
I tried it at 25, didn't work. Let's see. This actually came to 18. Let's see what we get. I want to get a solid 1 minute gap, man. Solid 1 minute gap. Come on. Give me 27 in this. Or 28.
LPTH.
So 3 cent gap. I want to get a solid 1 minute gap. Which I did get down here, but I got it with like 1,000 shares. Like, come on, dude. At this point in your career, we need bigger size. You can do it. Let's see. Is that a dip? That was so fast. I think that was a dip. That was so fast. It's like buyer's hurt. Algos picked it up so fast. No chance for me to get in. But we'll see. 10 more seconds, 15.
CONL. ONDS.
Incredible. Okay. So there goes that. So 30 right here. Gap and go.
CRCL.
32 actually. 32? Yeah, 32.
ASPN.
32. Yeah, when it goes green, it's right away. Oh my gosh.
CRCL.
I definitely missed this thing so much, bro. I fumbled this thing.
ROBN.
I fumbled this thing so hard.
XWEL.
Hmm.
CRCA.
All right.
CRCL.
Will it give a dip?
XWEL.
Will it actually give a dip here? No, no chance. Wow, man, I fumbled this thing so hard, dude.
XWEL.
Easy money.
CRCA.
Easy money.
CONL.
Dip below 45 would be sweet.
ONDS. CRCL.
XWEL.
CRCA. XWEL. MSTU.
XWEL.
CRCA. CRCL.
So we're gonna look for a dip here. I want to see this dip.
CCUP.
I want to go to $2. So there's still time to make money on this.
MSTU.
I just have to be patient with my trading. This 50 is gonna hold. 50 has been a strong level of support. There it is.
CRCA.
46 and a half. Okay, fine. Stop is going to be pretty tight at 40. Yeah, pretty tight.
CCUP.
Now I need to see this thing. Short need to be in trouble here. Short need to be in trouble. Either I get out flat here, or I'm going to have to buy it lower. Short's got to be in trouble here. Come on. Push it. Push it. And I'm not going to get out like that last time that I got a high fill. Even though I wanted it 40 under 45. Man, shorts are in trouble here. Come on, let's go. Push these guys. Push these guys. Push these guys. Come on, push these guys. Push.
CONL.
Push these guys, dude.
HOX.
Might get out flat and just try to get it lower.
CRCG.
Come on, $2. $2.
HOX.
There you go. There you go.
BSME.
One more squeeze. One more squeeze. One more squeeze. Come on. One more squeeze. One more squeeze. Oh, 1,000 right there. One more squeeze. Come on. One more squeeze. One more squeeze. High last 58. First
CRC.
exit 53.
CONL.
Shoot.
CDIO.
Getting out flat here. It goes to 46. Need to see it here. Hold 50. If you don't hold 50, I'm going to get out. Yeah, I'm getting out here. Okay, doesn't hold 50. It tried it there. We're going to look for a dip lower. Man. Come on. Come on.
CONL.
Okay, 50 again. 49. Hold down is what? 36.
CDIO.
Okay, here we go. Sheesh. It's coming here. Needs to hold 51. This thing is gonna freaking squeeze when I'm not in there, right? Needs to hold 51. Dip. Dip.
CDIO.
Dip. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. 51. Hold 51. Hold 51. Oh. Needed to hold 51. Okay, over 51 here. But it's like the setup's like not. The setup is not. There's no gap. But still 50 is where the algos are sitting. 50, 51 is where the algos are sitting. But there's no gap. No gap, no trade. All right, one more dip down to 40, 40. Hold down is 36. So we got room there.
CRCA. CDIO.
3K. Let's take 3K. I'm feeling confident here for a dip.
CDIO.
So nice. Okay, so 5-minute gap is going to be
CRML.
it's going to be pretty high. Okay, 5-minute gaps right here. 48 to 32. So 48.
CMPS.
All right. Under 48, give a dip for that 5-minute gap.
CCUP.
3K size. Let's see it. A lot of topping wick, so that means there's a squeeze coming. Oh, come on.
ASP
Come on, give the dip, bro. Give the dip. Give the freaking dip. There's a squeeze coming. Just give the freaking dip, man. Come on. I have 58. Okay, over 55 then. Shoot, over 55.
XWEL.
XWEL.
18 seconds.
ASP
I want to see how it behaves with this gap. How do you behave with this gap? Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see this.
XWEL.
Yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Okay, good. Ah, shit. Holy smokes.
CRCA.
That was a squeeze time. That was major squeeze time there. Ah. Sized up for that squeeze. That's why the stops are pretty tight. 46. This could be really good, to be honest. So yeah. Dang it. Dang it. I wanted at 46. I hesitated on it. The low of it was 43.
CRCA.
Yeah. Gosh. Okay. Knowing this stock, we can make this move. I'll size down 2K. It's a whole 52. You see this dip, I wanted to see it right here. Right here. Boom, and then we take off. $52 gap and go.
CRCA.
Not a strong setup. Not a strong setup, but it's gonna work.
CONL.
Okay. Here we go. There's still time to make this movie, to make this move, to make this money.
LUNR.
Needs to hold 54. If it holds 55, this works too. We'll give it a try.
CRCA.
Dip, dip, dip here. Dip, dip, dip. 56. Dang it.
NYTU.
NYT.
56 again.
XWEL.
CRCA. CRCL. CONL.
See what this next candle is going to do. At this point, let me wait for the next candle. $54 is that spot.
CRCA.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's do it. 56. 55. Hold. Hold. I'm basically in 57, so I might go flat here on the day on the stock. If you don't hold 55, hold 55. Nice, 57, 58. Come on. Come on. Hold 55, 56. Come on, squeeze time, squeeze time. Squeeze a clock. Dang, that should have been it. That should have been it, actually. Okay, cool. Back on it. Yes, nice. Squeeze time. Squeeze time. Brother. It's only one out because it should have done it there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out. No, I'm not doing it. It's a good read on my end coming back down. Ooh, shorts are nervous, man. Shorts are pretty nervous on this.
ASPI. GURE. CRCL. LUNR.
CDIO.
CDIO. CRCA. RCAT.
Hold 54. Yeah, it doesn't hold 54. One more dip.
MARA.
48.
CONL. MSTU.
All right, let's stay patient here. Okay, given a dip here. 47. Hold on is 38.
CONL. ETHU. CRCA. CRCL.
This is 48 by 32, so if I buy here, it's gonna have to be pretty tight. 45.
CONL.
Hmm. Hold down is 36. 45 again. Keeps getting bought up at 45.
CD item.
46. 46. I'll keep it tight. 46. Goes to 45. Gotta get out. I gotta get out. 44. 44. 43. 44 could have been good. Shoot.
BIR.
We'll see. It's a big gap. Big 5-minute gap. So 1 minute right here. Under 45, 44, yeah. Let me see. 44. Hold on, it's 35. Still ways to go. I don't think it'll flush. It doesn't give me this the sensation that it's going to flush.
BIR.
44 again. 44, 43, 44, 44, 44, 44. 44, 44, 44 again.
BIR.
44 again. See 44 again. Let me see it. Let me see it. If you're not going to see it, I might take 45. 44 again. Ooh, hold, hold.
QX may resume in less than a minute.
I'll take 42 here. Don't you even dare. Don't you even dare. Don't you even dare. Nice. Don't you even dare. Come on. Don't you even dare. What was the low that? 38. I did not see 38.
BIR.
Okay, good. I got a good low here. Got a pretty sweet low. See if I can get a move here. Stop is going to be pretty flat. Ugh, come on.
FRMI. QX may res in 10 seconds.
Let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see this play out a little bit. Let's see this play out. Don't want to see this go under 40. I want to see this play out here. Green, 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 green. Come on, dude. Green. Ah, shoot. Okay, down 80 bucks. Ah, dang it. Got the low of that. Okay. Am I red on the day? No, I'm green 10 bucks. Oh my gosh. Fumble this thing.
BIR.
So lost there 6 cents on that drop. Let me see. I still like it. No, but gotta be patient though, because the red volume is pretty strong. $37 on that exit. Got the worst exit.
FRMI.
So let's see, 35 is this low. Hold down is 27. Dang it, man. That's the move I'm looking for.
FRMI.
XWEL.
40. I'll get in at 40 again. Maybe that helps.
XWEL.
Come on. I want to see a dip.
CONL.
Okay, we're getting that dip. Let's see how 40 reacts, because I kind of want to buy 40. And see if 40 is a good dip here. Test 40. No real gap. Well, no real recent gap. It's kind of this 1 minute, this big 1 minute, this big 5 minute. So this area for me, it's looks very, very strong. So I will take a dip down here, 39. If I find it, I will take it. That would be the area I would try it out. Under 40. That would be the area I would try it. Let's see. If this decides to be pretty strong, then we might not see it under 40. But I do want to see quick little snap down to under 40. Looks like no, we're not going to see it. A low volume here, no sellers. No sellers shorting this yet.
YOU. INFQ. CONL.
All right, we'll stay patient. Okay. Are we doing this?
NYGN.
We're doing this here or are we dipping?
CRCL. Viva TX.
I want to see a dip, man. Here we go, below 40. Come on, just give it a freaking dip. You can do it.
CDIO. CRC.
Dip, get those buyers in. That is the most obvious spot. What's the high? 62. dip.
CDIO.
Here we go. 35, it's 35 would be like the closer to 35 the better. I would prefer it. I would prefer if it goes closer to 35 on this dip. Hold down is 29, so it's ways to go. Maybe one more red candle here. I could try it a couple times here to break even stop on some of these. Here we go, but ideally it'll give one nice dip under 40. Being patient on it, waiting for my setup. Waiting for what I think is it's a spot where buyers are going to be sitting. Based on the price action, 40's been holding pretty good. Above 40, it's been holding like 42, 43's been holding pretty good. But here, we're still within this gap. A nice dip closer to the bottom of the gap would be nice.
MSTU.
41, a lot of buyers are 41 as you can see, so it might not even get there. If we don't get it, then that's okay. But looks like it's pushing. It's testing at testing 41, right? Tested already 3 times the past 3 minutes. 1 time on each candle. Let's see if we can get a nice squeeze. Not squeeze, but nice little flush, followed by the squeeze. Ah, nope. Here we go.
IRC.
Hopefully it's not a. Hopefully it's not like. Is it going to be just like the end of it? Like if we dip there, would it still be good? I think so. I think that could still be good. 5 minute looks bullish still. It could handle a dip under 40 and bounce. I think so. I think so. Volume has been pretty low the past few 5 minutes, the past 20, 30 minutes. So here we go, 41 again. It's gonna try to break 41, 40. We'll see. Tested 40. It tested 40. That might just be enough. So I might need to take it pretty soon if it doesn't want to test 40 again. Yeah, I'll take it here. Nice. Okay, 43. 41 and a half. Hopefully it doesn't test 40 again.
It tested 40, it bounced super quickly. So that means buyers kicked in at 40. So my bet is that is the low. That is the low. If not, I'm gonna have to get out and find a lower. We're prepared for this. We're prepared for this. So
CDI.
we're prepared for this. We knew this was going to happen. Yeah, out
CDIO.
out right here, looking for lower.
FISV.
Looking for lower. 35 being the stop. Looking for lower. Come on.
HYMC. YOU.
Stop at 35. I think this could hold above 35.
And STU. YOU.
Come on.
FISV.
Is 40 gonna do it? Lots of buyers at 40.
IREZ.
Here we go. Volatility there. Never broke 40.
IREZ. ETO and halted.
Watching. Here we go. How well do you react under 40? Hold on, it's 27. So still ways to go. Needs to hold 35 for me. Realistically, this gap is all the way down to 32, but I don't. 35 is good enough.
AXTR.
Let's see. $37. That's perfect for me. Stop is going to be flat. You're going to hold. Come on, I need to see these buyers here. Buyers, 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 buyers. Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Where's the team? Where's the team? Team buyers, team bullish. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Give me some love. Give me some love. Don't give me this nonsense. Back to 37. Ah, come on, dude.
STU.
Where's this bounce? All right. Back over 40 so that the algos can kick in. Back over 40. Come on. Next candle.
CDIO.
Come on. Chilling here. Let's see.
CRCA.
Don't want to see this. Retest the lows. Come on.
YLU. DFDB.
Don't like that. Don't like that.
IREZ. YLU. FRMI.
So holding 39 by 40. Might give it another attempt. What's this low? 37.
ETON may resume in less than a minute.
Might even go to 35 here. Nice, 42. Okay, good.
CDIO. MSTU. NBTS. CRCA.
43. Sure, hold to 50, 50, 47. 47 would be 10 cents.
CRCL.
Come on, let's form a gap and go for people to get in here.
TON may resume in BTS. CRCA.
Nice gap and go. Hold this gap and go. Let's get some volume through. Once this thing starts going, man, it's just, it goes really strong. So my bet is that it's going to go. So stop is going to be flat. Stop is going to be flat. Please hold 40. What is this? 41. Okay. 41.
IREZ. FISV.
Nothing to lose, everything to gain here. Gonna go for it. Stop is gonna be flat, not taking out. Maybe I'll start taking out over 50. At 50, I think at 50 would be a good spot
CRCL.
to take some out. There you go. Nice squeeze.
CRCA.
Squeeze our clock. Come on.
NBTS. IREZ. FISV.
This thing could still go to $2.
MSTU. AXTI.
All right, looks like volume shifted. We can still see 39 on this, and it would still be good. Back over 40, where all goes were sitting at 40, so now 40 is gonna hold pretty strong.
IREC.
If it goes back to 37, 36, I would probably get out, and that would suck. But you know that would mean it needs to dip lower. That will negate my idea.
HYNC.
I'm up here about 5 cents. I'm gonna be up more than that.
FISB.
So not afraid to win. So we're gonna hold this pullback here. Might give another lower. This candle can go lower, so we gotta prepare for that.
IREC. MSTU. AXTI. IREC. FRMI.
Yeah, I can. It seems like Thinkorswim charts are stuck. I'm not using Thinkorswim. I'm using TradingView. And will that make an impact on the volatility? Maybe. Maybe that makes an impact on the volatility here. It holds 41. That's what we like to see, that green. I like to see people jumping in here at 40, seeing that 40 is going to hold. I like to see that green. There's a little gap right there that's holding.
ETON may res in 10 seconds.
Shorts could be in a lot of trouble here, so come on. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Stop is going to be 40. No, sorry, 37. Pausing the video and seeing what happens next. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out here. The plan might actually fail. If it's going to fail pretty fast. So gotta be careful here. Hopefully this is a good opportunity for buyers to get in again. Back over 40. Would love to see this back over 40 to give a sense of reclaim. If it's going to fail, it's going to fail pretty fast. So gotta be careful here. 36. 36, please hold. 38. Come on. Yes, 40. 40. So far it held. 37 again.
CDIO.
Okay, green here. Green. Green. Green here. Smaller green volume. Good, it's pushing though. 39 by 40. 39 by 40. Small red gap there, it's forming.
ETON may resume in less
Small
than
green volume. Not ideal. Two big red candles there. Not ideal. Just means there's not a lot of activity here. The volume is lower. So it's either sellers are not wanting to push this lower, and buyers are slowly picking it up.
ETON may rise in 10 seconds.
38 by 39. 39 by 40. Okay, good. Low volume. $38 by 39, low volume. Looks like I might get stopped out here. So I'm ready to get stopped out here at 36. All right, I'm ready to get stopped out here. 36 again. Maybe it bounced though. So if it holds 37, nice bounce. Nice bounce.
FIGR.
Okay, might get stopped out here at 36 one more time. Nothing to lose, everything to gain here. I like this area a lot. Why do we like this area? We have a big 5-minute gap here, and we have a 1-minute gap right here. So they were overlapping each other. That means there's a lot of algo activity in this area. So my plan is that it's holding these lows, and the algos are picking it up off the lows, right? Once we pick it up, I think slowly volume is going to start to come in here back over 40. That's actually really nice. So this could be good. It's looking to shake people off here at 35, 37, sorry, 36, 37, 38. But once we start breaking over 45, man, it's just going to just take off. So here is the difficult part, right? Because short sellers want to see this lower. Short sellers are yeah, they're selling against here. They're selling against 40. So If we break over 40, aggressive short sellers are going to start to get squeezed. If we break over 45, then other short sellers are going to start to get squeezed. So the key is that this gap, these overlapping gaps, these 1 minute gap and 5 minute gap, hold. That's my bet that they hold, and that we have a target of $2. And since the momentum has been strong on this stock all day, we may be able to see a pretty good move. Otherwise, it's just gonna go lower, right? So I'm prepared to get stopped out here, 37. Hopefully not. Might get stopped out 37, 36, maybe 35, depending how well this thing is gonna hold. But if it's going to be just like a flush, that's gonna hurt. Hopefully not. You know? Okay, here we go. Testing one more time. 36. Buyers at 36. Nice. Bounce at 36 one more time. 36 is holding, man. That's good. There you go. That's good. Good bounce there. So that means buyers are sitting there. We've algo sitting there above 35, 36. So now we need these buyers to kick in. Buyers kick in, please.
HYMC. ETON may res in 10 seconds.
CDI.
FRMI.
I like that volume in the previous candle. That's good volume.
And BTS.
That is great volume. That is good. This is good. Oh, come on. Nothing to lose, everything to gain on this, my strategy. I'm hungry. I need to go for food. If this doesn't work, I gotta go get food. All right, we'll pause it. We'll see what happens. Okay, good. We saw what I saw was a big spike of volume at 39. That's sweet. Okay, let's get a gap and go here over 40. Let's have these algos kick in at 40. Send the algos. Send the algos at 40. Market makers, listen to me. Send the algos at 40. Good. Algos sent at 40, 41. Excellent.
YOU.
Next is shorts get squeezed. Shorts begin squeeze mode. Market makers engage short squeeze. Market makers engage short squeeze here. Nice. Good. So let's get this trade going. See if this could be the curl we need. I just would love to see an algo squeeze all the way up to 60. We've seen it before, man. We've seen it before. Right here, off the lows, now here. Man, I would love to see that algo squeeze. Bless me with an algo squeeze. I'll take 55.
ETON may res in 10 seconds.
Here we go.
EEN halted.
We can still see a dip at 40 and it would still look pretty good. You know? Not ideal, but there's a nice little gap right there.
YOU.
ATRA.
41.
LPTH. IMSR. NBTS.
ATRA.
LPTH.
All right, we'll pause it here. We'll see what happens. Okay, looks like we're failing here. 39. I would add here, man. I really want to add here. Might have been a good ad. In the future, I think that could have been a good ad there.
EEN may res in 10
But the gap
seconds.
was not solid, that's
ETON
why.
may res in 10 seconds.
It's not a solid gap, but
YOU.
we'll see. So tested 39, now back over 40. Come on. Sorry, it's over 40. Back over. Don't be test 39 again, bro.
NBTS.
Yeah, step is gonna be around break even. Nothing to lose, everything to gain here. Nothing to lose, everything to gain.
YOU. YOU.
Don't want to get flushed on here, so I got to be careful. So there's buying though. People bought 39.
YOU.
Small red volume. I like to see this. No, green. 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 Green, green, green.
YOU.
Nice. Nice.
CDIO.
Nice, that's better. Needs to stick over 40. I'll go engage at 40 one more time. 5 minute looks okay-ish. 1 minute looks better. Rather, recent 5 minute looks okay-ish. 5 minute though, like overall 5 minute looks
WDAY.
looks fine. 15 minute looks great. Daily chart looks like we can hit $2. So I like this. Boom, nice. There you go. That's what I wanted to see.
XW.
All right, market makers engage. I'll go squeeze.
WDAY. FRMI.
XWEL.
EEN may resume in less than a minute. ETON may resume in less than a minute. YOU.
So don't like that drop. Don't really like that drop, but if it's holding, hopefully it's not going to be some nonsense.
YOU. EEN may res in 10 seconds. ETON may res in 10 seconds. ATOM.
Good volume, good. You see this, like, yeah, that wave of green that shows up, that's algos kicking in right there. So these algos better kick in here. Come on. Or is it going to be shorts covering? Or is it shorts covering? I don't think it's shorts covering. I think it's algos kicking in there. So come on. High of that was 49. I could have gotten 1,000 out at 47.
NBTS.
All right, we'll pause it here. We're going for the bigger move. All right, looks like it's failing. 40 again. Hopefully it bounces off 40. 43. Ah, don't like that. Don't like that. Don't like the fact that it came down there.
WDAY.
Don't really like it. But if it gets back over 45, still looks good. There's green volume. There are like waves of green volume coming in, you know, and that's good to see. So we'll pause it. We'll see what happens next. All right, looks like it's try to dump there. Let's see if we can get a nice pop here.
XTI.
Back over 40. Try to dump. This got to be the squeeze. This got to be the squeeze. Come on. We needed a little shakeout. We needed a little shakeout.
NBTS.
Nice. We needed a little shakeout here. Come on. Come on.
AXTI.
Good. We needed a little shakeout.
XWEL.
Nice. Let's go.
NBCR.
Looks pretty bullish now.
XWEL.
You'll do it in 600 orders. That's the shakeout I needed.
NBTS.
That's good, man. I'm pretty pretty happy about myself that I did not get shaken out here or here or here. So pretty stoked about that. Sticking to my plan.
NBTS. LRMR.
That was like Short's attempt to like get out, to like get the trade they wanted, but they didn't get it. So now it's now is our time.
NBTS. LRMR.
Now is our time. Massive green. Oh my. Shares are getting squeezed here, man. Everybody get squeezed. Market makers. I'll go squeeze. Engage, I'll go squeeze. Let's go.
ETON may resume your left.
If it prints 50, dude, it's just gonna be so crazy. What is this printed? This printed 50, yeah. But looks like they didn't want to get out at 50. Gold is 59.
LRMR.
We'll pause it. We'll see what happens. It tried to break down, nice dip into the gap there. Okay, cool, 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 cool dip. Cool dip. We'll be patient. All right, got all excited, but it doesn't seem like it's going to work. We'll see. Oh, okay. Nice. We like to see that. We were forming a bearish gap there, and I'm thinking, yeah, this might not do it, but
STU.
46 back down to 43 by 44.
GSIT. LRMR.
Crazy, crazy stock. Pretty nice. It's a nice stock. It's a nice setup.
ETON may res in 10 seconds. GSIT. MSTU. XRPR. BITX. YOU.
Good bounce there. Even though it's a topping wick, still a good bounce. All right, we'll pause it and see what happens. Okay, looks like we may dump here, so I gotta be careful. We may dump. I don't want to see a dump.
NBCR.
Good bounce though. Good bounce.
LRMR.
Nice bounce. Yes. Yes.
LRMR. CTEV. MSTU.
Let's get that squeeze. Another rejection. Another topping wick.
YOU.
Nice. All right. Let's see. Let's play it. Let's see if we get the squeeze here.
MSTU.
Nice. Nice gap right here. We need to hold 45. If I was not in it, I would get in here.
ETON may resume 11.
I would get in here. Ooh, nope. Maybe stop out for a little loss. Waiting for it one more time.
YOU.
RMR's been moving, but it's a higher float. All right, careful with the dump. I don't want to get dumped on. So this dump could be pretty rough. So I gotta get out I gotta get out here. So
ETON may res in 10 seconds.
it's not gonna do it. I don't want to get dumped on this thing. So it's like pretty irrational. It's like pretty indecisive, right?
NANM.
So it's a huge battle, this one.
NVCR. SLE may resume in less than a
My
minute.
focus is here. 5 minute, I got it up there. 15 minute, I got it up here.
NVCR.
Yeah, we'll see. Somebody's got to send it, you know? All right, we'll pause it and we'll see. Okay, I could get stopped out here. I could get dumped on this. Okay, nice. Good bounce there.
MSTU.
Nice bounce, nice bottoming wick. That's what we like to see. No, come on, close this gap. Close that red gap. Good. Don't want to see any red gaps forming.
SMCL. SMCL. MSTU.
What else do we need for this thing to go? What do we need to see? Red volume is increasing. That's not good, man. That's not good. Don't like to see that. So don't like to see the red volume increasing.
ETON may resume in less than a minute. MSTU.
All right, we'll pause and see what happens. Yeah, I got out right there. Sadly, it dumped right there. Dang it. 36.
MSTU.
Ah, come on, bro. Come on. Freaking A. All right. Didn't do it.
CRCL. NAMM.
And that's gonna do it, right? That would really suck, bro. I got out 36. Ah, I got shaken now. Because this thing could just, I mean, it was fine, I guess. Oh, man, that's disappointing. We held this thing for like over an hour. And maybe that's the time. This is going to be the time it goes. If this is the time it goes, man, it's going to be so annoying.
BDMD.
CD item.
CD item.
Dang it. That is so unfortunate. Back over 40. That is so unfortunate.
BDMD.
CD item.
I would still want to hold it, but it went to 36. The low of this was 37, so I was still holding that. This was 36. I didn't want to be part of like just a massive
L.
CDIO.
CT.
Wow, that sucks. It looked very good for a squeeze, man. Because not every single trade is gonna squeeze.
ATOM. MSTU.
There we go. 32 holding here. You better hold 32. Hold, brother. Nice. Low of that was 30. Hold, 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 hold. Yes. Buyers kick in. Buyers kick in here. Come on. This probably is the last trade. Buyers kick in here. Kick in here, yes.
ETON may rest in 10
Cover,
seconds.
cover, 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 cover. Let's go. I want to see it under 30. 32 is a spot. 32 is a trigger.
GCDT may resume in less than a minute.
Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Let's go. All right, cool. The low of the
GCDT may
previous
rest in
candle
10
was
seconds.
32, so if it wants to go down there, sure. As long as we don't break 32, but 32 will be the stop. That will be my last trade, but hopefully this is the one. Come on, give me that squeeze. Give me that squeeze. Shake everybody out. Give me that squeeze. Final shakeout, right?
Our item is
So large candle, but no, like, this is good. Like, it means like a lot of buyers stepped in here, right? Big candle, big volume candle, not so big of a red candle. So that means a lot of buyers stepped in there. So I'm taking this. I'm taking this. I'm taking it. I'm risking this. I'm risking this. I know it can go. So we'll see. Nothing to lose, everything to gain here. What did we see here? We kind of saw the same thing, right? We got to see a couple of green candles here. A red candle, a green candle, then we're going to start to see some squeeze mode here. We did it once, let's do it again. We did it once right here, let's do it again. But this time my setup is in here. It's a little later in the day though, but nevertheless, it could still work. Facing some resistance here, but nothing that we haven't dealt with before.
GCDT.
SMCL.
That's nice. 35 is nice. Come on, man. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Come on. Let's party. Let's go. Look at this beautiful move here. You know, let's do the same thing here. Give me a nice move. You know you can do it. Come on, let's play. Let's do it. Let's play. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let me see that volume. $34. All right. Well, if we're going to get stopped out, we'll get stopped out. But we might get a little dip to 32, 31. I'm prepared to see that as well.
SERV.
Nice.
FRMI.
No. 33.
SERV.
Come on.
EDYN.
This needs to go, man. Like I feel like it should have already gone. The longer it's lingering here, the less I like it. Last time the pop was pretty quick. This time the pop is taking too long. Shorts are getting more. Shorts might be getting more aggressive here. So I need to see this now. Otherwise, we might see a breakdown lower, but hopefully holds this. 32. 32. Hold, 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 hold. 32. 31. Dang it, bro. 30, 31 again. Yeah, 32. Ah, don't want to be holding this thing. Yeah, I gotta get out. Yeah, I gotta get out. Don't want to be holding that. Ah, dang it, bro. Right on the day, huh? This still in play. Now we have a small gap here. My gap setups haven't been working too well. Hopefully this one with the tights, I mean, it's a 1 cent gap. I don't know. I'll give it more time. Okay, I like a dip down 34. That could be a great dip. I got bought immediately. 3 hours on this recording. This is crazy. All right, let's see if we can get a nice little bounce here. A nice little bounce here. We're gonna have to keep it tight, you know? The day has been pretty red. Well, it started green, now red. Green 200 something. Went to get some food, now I'm back. All right, I don't know. That was good. Popped to 34. Let's see. That's good, actually. 35. I'd like to see that. Rejecting. What's it gonna be? All right. Hit 34. Well, this could be a good double bottom. Hard to say. I'd want to see a more clear setup though. 5 minute looks great. We'll see.
How far am I?
33 with a stop of 33. I mean, that's 60 bucks. Don't know. I don't have many chances to trade this. I'm down 90 bucks, so I want to be at max loss. And I also want to take a good quality setup. So this is making a triple bottom right here on the 5-minute. So 3 5-minute candles in a row are bouncing off this level.
A or B.
And would be a good level. I don't know. We'll wait. 3:30 might have some moves, but it's also 3 o'clock, so there might be a chance here for this area to be the absolute bounce. So if I see 34, I might take it. 34, 33, that would be sweet as well. Here we go. Let me see 34 or 33. Only 35 very well. $34. Oh, I'll take it 33. Pretty aggressive, but I'm hoping this is going to do it. We're right into this 5-minute fair value gap. 33 and a half. Beautiful. Stop is going to be break of 32. This has to be it. For me, this has to be it. 33 by 34. Don't want to see 32. What is this? This is 33 by 35. Okay. Don't want to see 32. This has to hold. Pop, 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 pop. Shoot. Yeah, I gotta get out. Okay. Eating a big loss right there, down 195 on the day. All right. That sucks. All right, we're gonna call it here. We are down $200 today after fees. Yeah, $200. So, man, we definitely turned this around in a way I didn't want to see. From being nicely green, $200, trying to go for it, trying to go for those moves, man. And took 3K here, 1K, 1K, 2K, 2K, 1K. I was able to keep it pretty tight throughout the day, but it slipped away from me as the day kept going to 26 trades. Absolutely outrageous amount of trades. Anyway, beautiful trade right here on SGN. Nice. Oh man, this is the spot. This is it. Nothing more than this. Trade here, I panicked out. Why? Trade here, beautiful dip and rip. Could hold it a little longer. Only 1,000 shares. More size. More size here. Come on, more size. 2K on this would have been absolutely beautiful. Also only took it for what, 6 cents? Okay, fine. Okay, little, yeah, I guess this is a gap and go, and eventually it went. The next candle held. Um, yeah, I guess that's fine. Next here, loss. Next here, small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, keeping it tight. Small win here. Not bad. Keeping it tight. Keeping it tight. Small loss here. Keeping it tight. Small loss here. Keeping it tight. That's okay. Bigger loss here. Okay, this is a $50 loss. That's a bigger loss. Didn't want to see this, but I was hoping this would hold 25. It dropped down to 23 and it went lower. Very nice dip. Out 53 on this. Very nice. Out the rest at 49 as it didn't hold. So it's a very good trade. How many? 2,000 shares. Nice. Very nice trade. Good. Then here 57 to 55. Yeah, there's just a gap and go. Yeah, basically a lot of, yeah, I took 3,000 shares. So I was really going for it here for the breakout. Didn't work out. What was this? This was a fair value gap, I think. What was this? I didn't quite get it under in the gap, so pretty much got out pretty break even there. I needed it to go right away. Here we got a dip. Oh yeah, I wanted this to, I don't remember. Was this just a dip? Don't quite remember. But anyway, here goes down to 39, gets over the gap at 42, I think it was, or it gets over 40, and I'm thinking over 40 it's going to hold, so I take it. Had to cut it sooner. I have to cut that sooner. Let it go for a little too long and out 37. Not great. Small loss right there. Then now this one. I held this for so long. I'm thinking this is gonna come. It didn't stop. It didn't flush here. Didn't flush any of this area, or here, or here. And I'm thinking it's finally time. Realistically, as it made a new low, I think I should have been out here. I should have been out here because it had to go in this area. It gave a dip, strong bounce. Buyers, short sellers are starting to panic, and then buyers need to step in. Need to step in, dip, fine, step in, dip, fine, need to step in, and I need to sell it. I need to sell it around here because it's not working. If it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. Maybe, and I'm going back on that too, because it could still work, it could go down here and still work. I think if I'm not selling it here, then probably here. It got to a point where I knew a dip was coming. I knew like if it's not gonna hold anymore, it's going to flush on me, and I was saying that around here. So that sucks. It's a loss there, 33, not bad, but losing on potential profit there. Then taking this loss here. Taking this loss, 32 to 30, bigger loss. And I have one more trade, which I think it's not there yet. What if I refresh the page? All right, let's see it. Is it there? Yeah, it looks like it's there. There it is. So one more trade here, absolutely horrendous. Oh my goodness. I got killed. I got murdered on this. Down $100. Ah, that sucks. This was on the gap. I think it was a 5-minute gap that I was looking at, 35 to 32. Got a nice dip, popped, and then it came down to 32, 31, 30. I should have been out 30 and then held it too much for 28. Now it's just lingering around this area and it looks so great for a continuation, man. Anyway, we're just gonna call it here, whatever. No reason to stick around. Tried it too much. Too many trades today. So here we go. We're gonna go here and look at the month. So up 1,400 in the month. I did size up. Typically, I would take 1,000 shares on this, but I did increase the size to 2,000. So good to know I'm able to keep it under max loss, which is $200. Max is between 150 to 200, so I'm able to keep it under that. Not good, but we're gonna just call it, whatever. It doesn't exceed the biggest winner. Some nice winners we had this month. So hopefully we can get a nice winner tomorrow. If this momentum continues, man, today's momentum was great. I just got to be part of it early on, early in the moves, and to just call it. Anyway, good. We traded a lot. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, give it 7-day free trial a go. Try a free trading analysis tool. Check out our pricing, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.